Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Justin here, and today I'm super excited to share something that's going to completely level up your content creation game, whether you're running an online business, creating social media content, or just want to make your videos look more professional. I'm talking about CapCut Commerce Pro. Now, I know the struggle of editing, spending hours, trying to get your videos just right, dealing with clunky software that just isn't cutting it, and then not even being happy with the results. Trust me, I've been there, and it's frustrating. But CapCut Commerce Pro is a game changer, offering everything you need to make pro-level videos quickly and easily. CapCut, this tool comes with AI-powered editing tools that automatically trim, enhance, and adjust your footage. Plus, over 1,000 plus premium templates designed for social media, ads, and more. Seriously, you can just enter the URL and boom, you can whip up super cool, amazing videos with just one click. If you're tired of wasting time and want something that's intuitive and powerful, this is the solution you need. And here's the best part: if you click the link in the video description right now, you can get 55% off and 24,000 credits to use on the platform. That's right, an exclusive deal that's going to save you big time and help you unlock even more pro features. No more wasting time on complicated software, no more settling for mediocre results. CapCut Commerce Pro lets you create stunning content in a fraction of the time. So don't miss out, click the link below, grab your 55% off, and start editing like a pro today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And let me know how you're using CapCut in your business or content creation journey. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.